Welcome to the Chilliwack Chamber of Commerce 2021 Business Excellence Awards Courage and Resilience Edition, presented to you by the Chilliwack Economic Partners Corporation. We hope you enjoy it.
I'm Scott Mason. I'm the president, CEO, co-owner of the company, and I've been here since 1989.
Well, I'm Gary TYCROP. I'm the founder of TYCROP Manufacturing. My wife Elaine and I founded the company in 1978, and we started on my father's farm, building a piece of farm machinery to improve farming. My wife and I started with $75. That's all we had. So we literally started in a shed with a gravel floor. So when you hear some of those ads on the radio, we really did start with a buzz box, which is just slang for a little tiny welder with it. And that's how we started.
Rosedale is our headquarters here. It's also our center for innovation and where we bring ideas to life. And we do that for all of our brands, our clean tech customers, and for our pivots. So all of that comes to life here in Rosedale. This is where we have built up, we'll call it, our engineering, our design capabilities. Also, we do manufacturing, but we have other locations. So in Sardis, that's where TYCROP Trailers is located. So we've got a great plant in Sardis, and that's where all the trailers are. Calgary is the headquarters for Propel Canada. And down in Granbury, Texas, we've got two facilities that are really dedicated to our energy products and also the clean tech that we're getting involved with, like off-grid power gen. So we're Chilliwack headquartered, proud to be here, been here since the start, but we're a company that by having multiple locations means that if we apply that bringing ideas to life concept to any market, we can scale up as well by having multiple facilities.
I've always had a real interest in automation and technology, so we always tried to be as close to the cutting edge as we could, and we always believe there's a better way, and so we kind of always look through that lens or that filter, and it causes you to question everything about any device that can be invented.
I think any business is faced with the same challenges as TYCROP is today, but the pivots that we've made as a company are not regional pivots. They're nationwide and global and for sure North American-wide pivots, and we feel very good about them. We know where the world's going. Everything is going electric, and that means every big piece of equipment has to be electrified. It has to have controls and controls automation. These are things that we do very well here at TYCROP.
Start with art. It's an idea and it starts as art, but then it kind of evolves into science, and so that's where you start to apply all the standard principles of gravity and physics and inertia and all of these things, and then we really start engaging the engineering. So then the engineering comes in behind it and it kind of wraps around it, and we start saying what parts are going to be difficult to work with and how do we make the idea work, and then the engineering team comes around that, so the group just gets larger and larger.
When you're an innovation company and when you're run with an entrepreneurial spirit of, hey, there's nothing that we can't do if we put our minds to it, you tend to do maybe too many things all at once, and so we're a bit chaotic, we're a bit crazy around here. It's kind of exciting to people to know that, hey, we just don't kick out widgets. We're a company looking at problems, solving problems, creating new technologies, and every day is an interesting day at TYCROP, okay? There's always something going on here that's very, very unique, and I think that's that along with our culture of really respecting, we are a blue-collar company. We roll our sleeves up, we get down, we work hard together, we build amazing pieces of equipment that will stand the test of time. You'll be able to see, you'll see our equipment working 25 years from now. So we're making things that make a difference, and I think that's what makes us a better place to work.
What I'm really proud of is the people, and I think that's what TYCROP's been really great at. The machinery has been pretty good, and the creation's been pretty good, but what I'm really proud of is the people. We've grown so many people to places they never dreamed they could go, and even we dreamed they could go. We've got people that started here, 25 years ago sweeping a floor, and now they're like president of a division.
I'm most proud of the fact that, through thick and thin and changes of over 44 years, this is our 44th year, in 4 decades, we've continued to innovate, change, and improve the economy by creating technologies and products that help our customers work better. And we continue to do that, to be a company that's trying to be part of the solution and not be part of the problem.
Invoke a culture where put the idea out and go, that's interesting. Put it on the wall. We've seen many, many times when there would be 4 or 5 ideas that I think any one of us would say, that's all silly. But when you saw the pattern of the 5 silly ideas, a really amazing thing occurred. And the combination of those 5 on the wall was, and you have that aha moment, and truly a patentable idea pops out of that.
Thanks so much for tuning in, and again, special thanks to Chilliwack Economics Partners Corporation and all of our pillar partners. For more information on the Chilliwack Chamber of Commerce, visit chilliwackchamber.com.